Hello friends, today we will discuss about paddy farmer for level 1 and our unit 1 session 1 is importance of paddy cultivation and growing regions, prepared and designed by Ankur Chaudhary, vocational trainer of agriculture at GSS Kanol, district Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Next slide is of about session objective. Our session objective is in this session students learn all about paddy cultivation. Students learn about the major paddy growing regions in India. Students learn about best growing methods of paddy. Next is rice cultivation. Introduction. India is an agricultural country. Most of her people are farmers. They produce three classes of crops such as food crops, commercial crops, and oilseeds. The main food crops of India are rice, barley, wheat, and maize, etc. Rice is a staple food of many of the Indians. Rice is obtained from paddy. There are 75% of people use its grain as food. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. The crop is cultivated almost in all the states of the country like Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh are the major rice growing states. Its botanical name is Oryza sativa or Dhana. Next is climate requirement. Rice cultivation is a torrid zone plant. Rice requires an extremely moist soil, either rain fed or artificially flooded. Rice is water loving plant which is grown in northeastern states all around the year if water is available either through rain or irrigation. Rice needs relatively high temperature ranging between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius for optimum growth and development of plants. Depending upon the temperature requirement, rice crop is grown during Kharif. Next is soil requirement. Rice is grown on all sorts of heavy soil types like clay, loam of alluvium nature. Rice requires an extremely moist soil, either rain-fed or artificially flooded. Here is some pictures. Next is cultivation. Cultivation of rice completely depends on the availability of water. Depending on the amount of rainfall and irrigation facilities, various methods are adopted. Broadcasting and transplantation are the two common methods in practice. Next is broadcasting. It is dry or semi-dry cultivation. The soil is plugged 10 to 20 centimeters deep while it is still dry or partially moist. Next is sowing time. Sowing of seed is done during June to July, immediately followed by another plowing. Germination of seeds occurs after getting sufficient moisture. When the seeds are 20 to 20 centimeter high and sufficient water is available in the field, a light plowing is done. The treatment is called Bheushana. After this plant are allowed to grow in sufficient water stored in the field, the case of short duration varieties of second operation Bheushana is avoided as they come to flower stage after 60 to 70 days. Next is transplantation. This method is essentially used in the areas where rainfall is much. Seed beds are raised during June. When the soil is dry, seeds are sown on moisture beds for raising the seedlings. When the seedlings are 21 to 30 days old, they are transplanted in puddle fields to get better results Various qualities of fertilizers are applied both in seed bed and field. Water is essential in rice field throughout its entire period of growth. It is also necessary that the field is allowed to dry up just before the harvesting. Next is harvesting. The crop is harvested by cutting the plants with a sickle. After drying of harvested crop, threshing is done either by hands or by bullock feet or by using thresher. The grains are collected after removal of chaps. Grain less paddy by throwing in the air. Next is growing regions of rice in India. Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh are the major rice growing states. Improved and high yielding varieties of paddy are as follows according to their maturity. 1. Early varieties Ratna, Padma, Parijata, Kumar Sufla are of summer season. Medium Sarad Hema, Rajeshwari, Jaya, Kumar Sakti, Vijaya. Both the types are ready from June to December. Early varieties Dalua, Pusa 2 to 21, Bala, Kaveri, Parijata, winter season. Medium Ratna, Kumar, Supriya, and Krishna. Both the types are ready from December to April. Early varieties Pusa 2 to 21, Bala, Kaveri, and Parijata ready from April to May to September in upland regions. First month is for sowing and last month is for harvesting and the threshing in the above varieties. This project was made by Ankur Chaudhary, Vocational Trainer, Agriculture, Government Senior Secondary School, Kanol, District Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.